What's up guys, I am Walid. How are you all? The watch you see in my hand was brought by my uncle from Saudi Arabia. Today I will open this watch and see what is inside. It means what it is made of. So like and subscribe. Let's see without delay. First of all, let me say that I am not an expert in English, so don't mind. First I will use it to remove the watch cover. Oh, made in China. What is this? There is nothing inside. I mean, a small place is the mechanism of this watch. All other spaces are empty. Look at it. The main mechanism of the watch is very small. It's right in the middle because of the white structure around it. So I will remove this white structure. Oh, yes. Control clock time with this object. I will remove it from here. It is impossible to open. I have to break it. Come on, come on. Off, off, off. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at it. It's awesome. It's awesome. Oh. Beautiful. The design of the watch is beautiful. This is the second fork, this is the minute fork, and this is the hour fork. The main mechanism of the watch is attached to this sheet of steel. So you have seen what's inside a watch. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe. See you again in another video. Until then, stay well. Thank you. I have to repair it again. Come on. Come on. Yes. I did it. So you have seen what's inside a watch. See you again in another video. See you again in another video. First of all, let me say that